Oh, what's in with you? This your brother Machado Menace. Welcome to Empowering Preeminence, Multimedia Productions. Hopefully that went not bothering y'all. I just want to make a quick rant right quick about Cam Newton. I know Cam Newton has been getting a lot of flack because he was telling the truth about female nature. You understand? And the truth of the matter is, if a general manager of the NFL team were to draft a cornerback, he expects that cornerback to play the role that he was drafted to play in, and that's to play corner. And when you play corner, your job is to occupy the receivers. You understand? Do your best to make sure that they don't make a play against you. You see what I'm saying? If they do make a play against you, is you got to try your best to make a play to make sure they don't get the touchdown. You understand? Take preemptive metrics. And since the Most High created women, the Most High is like a general manager in a sense. He's the owner and general manager of this whole establishment. He drafted you women. The moment the doctor says the girl, the Most High and us men expect y'all to do what y'all need to do and to remain a homebody. Because there's a saying, you can't turn a hoe into a housewife. That's true. Because once she's for the streets, she's always for the streets. You see what I'm saying? She can never return to indigenous state. You see what I'm saying? It just never worked out that way. So what Cam Newton said that was so out of line and off base, is Cam Newton a male chauvinist? I don't know. I teach male chauvinism according to the Bible, because the God of the Bible is a male chauvinist. He do teach that the men is superior to the women. According to the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 42, verse 14, it says, "Better is the childlessness of a man than a courteous woman. A woman, I say, was bringing shame, reproach." What the scripture says, a man who has an effed up temper and ill will is still better than that sweet woman, because that sweet woman is still more predisposed to evil by nature than a man. You see what I'm saying? So that's the fact of life. You dig? That's all I want to say about that. Y'all be sure to hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button, you heard me? And for that I say shalom. I'm out here. Peace.